Welcome back to the channel. And this app cuts grocery time in half. So guys, I have this application over here that is available on the Google Play Store, and make sure to download this application in order to proceed with this process. So guys, this application is a very basic. As you can see over here, we have a shopping cart total. So if you want to add an item, you would just simply select add item over here on the right side of the screen. And for example, I bought an item, banana. And from here, let's say the sample size will be 3 and the quantity will be 3 as well. And select add over here. And as you can see, we have a shopping cart of total showing at the top. And you could also set a budget over here. So let's say my budget will be $100 and set. And from here, we should be able to see the budget remaining that we have. And from here, you will have other options like cart, you will have compare items, you will have lists, and pretty much you could also produce this over here. So pretty much it is a simple application that will help you manage your grocery list. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.